Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code on Cash App. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a promo code for Cash App for signing up. How do you actually go ahead and enter that promo code on Cash App? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first go into the Cash App. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon. Then once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and then click on promos and invites. Next, click on enter a code. And then this is where you're going to enter your promo code for Cash App. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and enter a promo code on Cash App. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.